Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I just want to do a chill vibe, just relax, minimal makeup, just talk to you guys, catch up with you guys. My last couple of videos have been like super different than makeup tutorials. I've done like at-home beauty and some organization stuff. So I just want to do a little quick makeup tutorial. I feel like I haven't worn makeup in so long. But I'm just going to do like my new go-to routine. And then I have a new Fenty setting spray that I really want to try. So let's just get into it. So I don't know why my period made me break out. I have like little dipper across my face right now. What is this finger doing? So today for my foundation, I'm gonna do the Tom Ford foundation stick. This is in Sable 6.5. And I'm gonna just lay this down first for some more coverage, and then I'm gonna do the Too Faced Born This Way in warm beige over top. So just lay the stick foundation down first. I unfortunately can't get rid of like the texture, but I'm going to try to cover it. The stick is like a little heavier, so it will help blend in the texture a tiny bit, but not like a lot. I hope you guys are doing well. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing while we're stuck inside. Some places are like extending it past May 15th, and then some places are like letting people do things earlier. Like I know in LA for some reason, things are opening May 4th. I'm like, who came up with that? I'm not really sure. Like, who said that? You know, like things are just opening. We haven't gotten extended past May 15th yet, which is great. But it'd be nice if people could stay in the house because they're not. I feel like I'm doing okay. If it ends on the 15th, we're only 2 weeks away, so that's fine. But if they extend it, I don't know if I'm okay. So I'm kind of just like patting the liquid over the stick. This Tati Blendiful is just the best. I use this in almost every video now since I used it. I haven't even used my favorite little Fenty sponge for my concealer, which I used to do, just because like this has just been so great. But if you guys haven't tried it, you should try it. My little bumps need a little more coverage, so I'm actually going to do my Shape Tape on it. Just like pat it, and I'm gonna let it sit there for a minute so it can like dry down and be a little bit more full coverage. I'm also gonna use this for my eyes. This is in light medium honey. I've been trying to switch up the videos and do more like lifestyle videos because no one's really wearing makeup right now unless you still have to go to work, and what you do, like thank you for working, and I'm sorry you have to work during this time. But sometimes it's nice to put on makeup just to like, you know, feel better because we've just been stuck in the house, like no makeup, no hair for most of us. I think it's fun to just put on a little bit. Go take some cute pics for Instagram or FaceTime somebody. I know my husband's probably tired of seeing me in a robe with my hair not done and no makeup on. So I'm gonna let this dry down for a minute and then we'll blend it out with our Blendiful. Leave me a comment down below if you guys like the lifestyle videos or if you only like makeup videos. I've just, you know, didn't want to be boring and just keep putting out makeup videos and like full glam when none of us are really doing that right now. And it's been really fun to like switch it up and film in my bathroom and different places in my house. I know I told you guys before that I was in esthetician school to get my license so I can do lash extensions in like a business. And we stopped since like I think March 18th or something. And then we just started again today online. So we're gonna do it online, I guess, for 2 weeks as long as they don't extend the stay at home. So at least I'm getting my hours. So I'm only gonna be like 6 weeks behind graduating because of all this. With my minimal looks, I still like doing a good full coverage, especially if I'm breaking out. But I like to keep the face just like kind of clean and matte, and then minimal eye. I think it's kind of like my definition of minimal. I know everyone's definition is different. So do whatever you want. I'm going to set my eyes with the MAC Studio Fix in N4. Don't worry, when things are open, I'm going makeup shopping, so I stop using like the same products. I know a lot of places are having sales right now, but I've been trying not to online shop. And for Sephora, I was like, oh, I only did one order. I only ordered 4 products. I'm so proud of myself. I only spent $100. Then I placed 2 more orders. So, Sephora haul coming soon. It seems like it's taking about 12 to 14 days to get the products once they ship, just because everything is so delayed. Look out for that. It will be coming hopefully in like a week or so. As soon as I get it, I'll film it like that second and get it up for you. I love wearing a snatch pony because it just gives you like a little smooth, like a little, you know, brow lift. To set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use a Jaclyn Luminous Powder in Carrots. I also want to get like a new big powder brush. I've been using the same one for so long and I'm like, I'm not into it. I've been obsessed with setting my face with this because it gives you just like that nice luminous glow, but still airbrushed and not over the top shiny. And then what I like to do is if there's too much shine, I can go in where I want to mattify and use the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I use the shade 2. And then I'll just like mattify the T-zone if it got like out of control. But I love how it looks, other than these little like breakouts right here. Also, sorry about my nails. If you saw my nail video, then you know why. If you haven't seen it, go look at it. I also did like brows at home and eyelash extensions at home. And guys, let me tell you, my eyelash extensions I did on myself with the House of Lashes glues lasted me an entire week. And then I just like took them off because I just wanted to rub my eyes and stuff. But you do that technique and you get that permanent Ardell glue, those will last you like 2 weeks without falling out, and you'll just fill in the little gaps. So if you want to look cute right now, do that. Next, I'm just going to bronze up a little with my MAC Give Me Sun, per usual. I didn't do any like cream products like as far as highlighting and contouring. And when I like to do my minimal look, I tend to just like use the least amount that I possibly can because I feel like I still do use a lot of products. But I'm just doing like a powder bronzer. I'll add in a little of the Hoola to give it like a little contour, but I just want to keep the powders today. I feel like when you lose weight, like you don't have to use as much cream products, but until my face gets like super snatched, I feel like I would always cream contour. It just looks better too, even if your face is like normal size. So this is just the bronzer, and I'm gonna add in the Hoola from Benefit. I like to mix these because by itself, it's like a little too gray on me. I don't know why, because I've seen people with like a little bit darker skin tone than me use it, but it just doesn't work with my tone for some reason. I'm not gonna do a contour. I just ran my bronzer with the huge brush, and then I'm just taking my powder brush and just kind of like going over it. Just add like a little warmth, but I don't need to contour it. I'm gonna add the smallest amount of highlighter. I want to keep this mostly matte, but still have like a little bit of a glow. I'm gonna use a shade Cookie from Benefit, and I'm just adding a little here, and go like in a little circular motion. Just makes your skin look healthier, in my opinion. And then I like to go here, kind of like a little swoop like this. And then the tiniest bit above the brow. Putting a little here with my finger and then blending it out. And the highlight's a little strong now, but I'm going to do my blush over this. I'm using my MAC Floor Power. It's just like my go-to. I love for like a minimal look for the face to just look so fresh and like cute. And then your eye is minimal, your lip is minimal. Put a little on the nose. Then we're gonna try our new setting spray. I'm so excited for this. This is the Fenty What To Do setting spray. I love the packaging. It's kind of like a matte lavender, and then it's plastic and it's a little flexible. So let's see. Ooh, the mist looks so nice. Oh my god, this is the greatest scent in the world. Wow. It smells so good. I thought I loved the Morphe one. This one smells amazing. Almost like a fruit or like a perfume. It's weird because my face looks less wet than when I do the Morphe one, but I put a million sprays. But everything just looks so blended and like airbrush. What do you think? Really like it. Okay, I'm not going to clean up under the blush. I'm just going to leave this natural. My version of natural. Next, we're going to move on to brows. So my brows still have such a good shape from when I waxed them. And I tinted them too. That video is on my channel if you guys want it. But I find that when I tint them and they're all waxed and clean, it's easier to fill them in because they don't need as much. I'm just going to fill in the gaps. Like down here, I'm going to make this line like a little more clean. Then over here, there's some gaps. I don't want the brow to be like too bold because it's going to be a minimal look. But I just want everything to be filled in and it looks like really crisp. Because I feel like just makes you look even more like put together when you have a crisp brow, even if you're doing a natural look. You can also do like a bushy look and just do your brow gel. That would also be super cute. And then that's that brow. Now that my brows are done, I'm going to use the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter as my brow gel. This just keeps them locked in place. If you want one a little less like where they feel hard, use the Anastasia one. So for your eyes, you could use your bronzer, your blush, and just throw it in the crease. You could leave them blank with nothing on it. I'm gonna just use my Joseph Colors Friendcation palette. You guys already know this is my favorite. And I'm just gonna use the 2 neutral browns in the crease. I'm probably gonna skip eyeliner and lashes today and just do some mascara. So gonna be really cute and natural. I just am dipping my brush into both colors. Let me show you what colors I'm using. This color, which is my all-time fave, and then this color. You can do this as soft as you want or as bold as you want. It's up to you. Whatever minimal makeup is to you. And then right about here from the crease, I'm gonna go a little higher instead of going down to make my eye look more open. And then I'm just blending it up. Okay, so our crease colors are done, and you can take a like bone color, light color, and put it on the lid and make the lids look more open. I'm gonna do that with this shade here. Just gonna get a flat brush, and I just want to put that right here to make the eye look more open. And then just blend it with the crease. Lastly, I'm gonna take the same crease color and just get a different brush and run that a little bit on the bottom, mostly where the outer corner is. Sorry for the cute face. So then lastly for the eyes, I'm going to take the shade Cookie that we use on our cheeks and just do that in the inner corner. This brush is like the perfect inner corner brush. It's Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collab JH40. And I just love popping it like right here. This is just the perfect size and the perfect like brush head because it's flexible, but it's still stiff enough to put the color where you want it and like precise. So now we're going to do our mascara. I can't find my eyelash curler or else I would curl my lashes because they're very small right now. But I don't know where it went. I had like, I think 3 of them. I might order a new one, but I'm just going to use a Dior Show mascara for my top lashes. I don't know if this little one's old because it's like a little like sample size from Sephora. But last time I put on a lot and it was like flaking off. So I'm going to try to keep this super thin. This is actually a really amazing mascara because my eyelashes still haven't grown back from ripping out my eyelash extensions, and it makes them look super long. So here's just the top lash. For bottom lashes, we're going to use a MAC Extended Plate. I love this one for bottom lashes because it's very tiny and it gets all the little lashes and it never transfers onto my concealer. It sucks when your bottom lashes are longer than your top lashes. So for the lips, I'm going to keep it super nude and cute. You can use 1 product, you can use 10 products. It doesn't matter to me. I'm going to use the Patrick Ta lip liner. This is the shade, why do I always forget? I only have one. She's Bold. I love this. It's a click up. It's like a nice neutral tone. I have lip balm on, so it's like not really getting on there. I used the Patrick Ta Silky Lip Cream, and this is in She's Independent. I love these. I love all of his lip products. This is like a good nude, but not too nude. Then for gloss, I'm going to use the Fenty Fussy one. I wasn't going to use the Patrick Ta one. It's called She's Expensive. It's amazing. It's like a gold glitter, but I wanted like a little bit of a pink hint. Okay guys, this is the look. This is just like minimal to me. This is what I would do if I was in a hurry or I just wanted something super easy and still look refreshed and cute. I wish my lashes were longer or I had lash extensions, but I wouldn't really put on a strip on a day like this. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what type of videos you want to see from me next. Until next time, thank you so much for watching.